Hi, today I want to show you one example about the QMM and see how we trade it. As you see, we have a Double Marubozu DMD1, okay? I select it as a POI because as you see, we have a engulfing candle in a main time frame 1 hour, and we have a FVG, and we select this area as our POI. And in a lower time frame, we are waiting price touch this area. When we focus on our POI area, as you see, there is an unmitigated block here, and lower than there is another area that is still unmitigated. We are just waiting our setup. Okay, as you see in this area we don't have setup. Can you see we don't have any QMR? We are waiting. Then we have a good QMR in a lower time frame. This is our change of character. Then price break it as a second time. BOS break of a structure. And let's see what will happen. Price came to the zone. Okay, let me change it to the line chart. As you see, this is our QMR, then this is our setup QMM. We have a high, low, higher high, lower low. QMM. Price go out of this area, then came back to this zone, and in 1 minute if we saw a engulfing candle as a confirmation, we will enter to the market. Let's see. Yeah, this is our engulfing candle. I enter to the position, put my stop loss at the end of this little range. And what about the TP? Let's see the unmitigated block in this area. I saw unmitigated block in this area. Another one is here. Sorry, my network is very okay. If we put it around here, is around 1.44, and it comes to this area is around, our risk reward ratio is around 2.17. Let's see what will happen. And you can continue to trade, and when you saw a QMR you can close your trade. Okay, as you see, our target has been touched and we can close our trade. But let's see what will happen in the future. As you see, there is a QMR and you should be a little careful, but price break it and goes up because there is an unmitigated block and some buyers enter to the market in this area. Okay, it's enough. As you see, we gain a risk reward ratio around the 2, and I'm sure this trade has a good win rate. Not 100%, but it has a good risk reward ratio and it has a good win rate. Have a good time. Bye.